Hey guys, iQOO all set to launch new smartphone series iQOO Neo 9 series, iQOO Neo 9 and iQOO Neo 9 Pro in China 27 December 2023, and this is the first look and treasure iQOO Neo 9 series. But already unboxing and hands-on image are leaked. So first and first talk about the box content. So in the box content you can get some paperwork, one USB Type-C cable, 120-watt fast charger, one beautiful cases and our smartphone. And as you can see that both phones come with similar design. iQOO 9 and iQOO 9 Pro come with 6.78-inch curved 1.5K resolution 144Hz OLED display. Both phones also come with dual camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor who is Sony IMX920 plus OIS. But the difference is the ultra wide. iQOO 9 come with 8 megapixel ultra wide, and on the other hand iQOO 9 Pro come with 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 ultra wide sensor. As per leak, both phones also come with 16 megapixel single selfie camera. iQOO 9 come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC and iQOO 9 Pro come with Dimensity 9300 SoC, and this is the iQOO 9 Pro Antutu score, which is very impressive. And Geekbench is the single core score is 2293 and multi-core score is 7623. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with OriginOS 4.0. iQOO 9 come with 5000 mAh battery and iQOO 9 Pro come with 5160 mAh battery, but both phones also come with 120-watt fast charging. Both phones also come with beautiful tree color, black, blue and red color. So let me know in the comment section below which color you like it. So I am very much excited about the iQOO 9 series, so let me know in the comment section your thoughts. So that's for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.